Hi, today I'm ready for LENOVO TAB M9 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. Let's check. So we got here two different boxes. So let's check the first one first. And so here we got the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card. So let's check the another box. Here we got the charger, the adapter, and also get here the USB Type-C cable. So let's check the second box. Let's open it. So here we get some instruction to the for the case on the screen protector. So we got here the screen protector also, like the glass, and also we could see here the protective case. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.